Vowel letters design. A short stroke connected to the main line of the letter indicates that this is one of the vowels that can be iotized. This stroke is then doubled when the vowel is iotized. The position of the stroke indicates which harmonic class the vowel belongs to: light, top or right, or dark, bottom or left. A point for the sun in the heavens. And point outward from letter.
아, 에, 야, 예, 에, 야, 예.
A point to earth. And point inward from letter.
에, 여, 예, 에, 여, 예. 오, 와, 왜, 요. 오, 와, 왜, 요. 우, 오, 왜, 위, 요. 우, 오, 왜, 위, 요.
A vertical line for the upright human.
으, 의, 이.
Basic consonants.
기역, 는, 미음, 시옷, 이응.
The rest is derived from these. Velar consonants, molar sounds.
기역, 쌍기역, 킥.
Coronal consonants, lingual sounds.
는, 디귿, 쌍디귿, 리을, 티읕.
Bilabial consonants, labial sounds.
미음, 비읍, 쌍비읍, 피읍.
Sibilant consonants, dental sounds.
시옷, 쌍시옷, 지읒, 쌍지읒, 치읒.
Dorsal consonants, throat sounds.
이응, 피읒. 기역, 쌍기역, 는, 디귿, 쌍디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 쌍비읍, 시옷, 쌍시옷, 이응, 지읒, 쌍지읒, 치읒, 킥, 티읒, 피읒, 피읒.